Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Bridge Course English. Hope you're all good and safe at home. Dear children, in today's class, we are going to learn about rhyming words. ಪ್ರಾಸ ಪದಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So, what are rhyming words? ಪ್ರಾಸ ಪದಗಳು ಎಂದರೇನು? You are all learned already in previous classes. Let's recall again. What are rhyming words? Look at here. Rhyming words are two or more words that have same or similar ending sound. If the two words sound same, they are called rhyming words. For example, car, bar, house, mouse. If the two words sound different, they do not rhyme. Okay? ಪ್ರಾಸ ಪದಗಳು ಎಂದರೇನು? ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪದಗಳ ಅಂತ್ಯ ಒಂದೇ ಉಚ್ಚಾರಣೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಸಪದ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. Before starting our session, let's sing a rhyme. Peter, Peter, pumpkin eater, had a wife and couldn't keep her. He put her in a pumpkin shell. He put her in a pumpkin shell and there he kept her very well. Dear children, here you can find the words which sounds same. See there in the rhyme, Peter, eater, keep her. See, same sound. Peter, eater. Then shell, well. See, here we got two pairs of rhyming words. Now, let's learn some rhyming words. Okay, look at the video here. Cat, sat, bat. Ball, fall, tall. Right, kite, height. Owl, towel, growl. Bore, for, roar. Rock, chalk, hawk. One, gun, one. Face, place, race. Boat, goat, float. All, ball, call. Cave, gave, save. Next, jump, bump, lump. Next, day, stay, hay. Hole, mole, stole. Hot, not, caught. Then cook, look, hook. Seed, feed, weed. Dear children, here is a game for you. You can play at home with your sister or brother. Now the games begins between Meena and Leena. Okay. The game is like this. So Meena has to say a word. Leena has to give rhyming word of Meena's word. Got it, children? Shall we begin their game? Yes. Okay, now Meena gives a word. Yes?
Red.
Red. Yes, red. Okay, Leena? Bed. Good, bed. Okay, next word.
Well.
Leena. Well. Oh, good. Well. Okay.
Cell.
Leena. Cell. Good. Both are good. Next word.
Hide.
Hide. Good. Hide. Leena.
Tide.
Good. Tide. Next, Meena.
Kick.
Kick. Okay, kick.
Pick.
Pick. Good. Pick. Both are very good. Next.
Ring.
Ring. Ring. Okay, ring. Then, Leena, give me a rhyming word.
Wing.
Yes. Wing. Good. Wing. Okay, last word. Pet. Good. Pet. Then, met. Good. Very good. Both of them played very well. Claps. Good. Dear children, here is a homework for you to write in your worksheet paper. Homework is like this. Now I am going to sing a poem from the textbook of 7th standard. So you have to listen carefully. Then find out the rhyming words from that poem. Then you have to write. Got it, children? At least 5 pairs of rhyming words you have to write and send it to me. Okay? Okay, here is the poem for you. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. The start of it was light, the end of it was wrong. He said he was right, I know he was wrong. We hated one another, we hated one another, we hated one another. The afternoon turned black, that suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, oh come on, we can't go on all right. I was in the wrong, I was in the wrong, I was in the wrong, so he was in the right, so he was in the right, so he was in the right. I conclude my today's class, dear children. See you again. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye children.